एंड वेयर द ड्राई सीजन लास्ट फॉर 6 to 7 months, धीरे धीरे ड्राई सीजन आ जाएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ तक आईटी सीजन नहीं पहुंचेगा तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रेनफॉल तो होगा लेकिन उतना नहीं होगा, थोड़ा सा कन्वेक्शनल रेनफॉल आसपास में 6-7 months के लिए काफी ज्यादा, और 7-8 means 8 months भी ड्राई हो सकता है. दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एन सवाना, विच लैंड, पार्कलैंड, और देयर विल बी bushes and then tall grasses dotted with some number of trees, and especially which are the trees are there? Acacia and then baobab. I said baobab. Understood? Which are the two important trees? और यहाँ पे ड्राई सीजन लास्ट फॉर हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 6 months. और ऊपर जाएंगे तो ड्राई सीजन विल फर्दर इंक्रीज. ड्राई सीजन विल further increase on the desert margins where the dry season may as long as 9 months, 10 months, that is known as what? Scrub savanna. And better to say, I said the scrub land, or you can say that consists of low thorny trees, thorn bushes, shrubs and succulents. So I said that which are the lands we have seen? Yes, woodland. Yes, savanna, parkland or bushland. And then I said that scrubland or succulents are there. Understood? Scrubland. Getting my point? Clear? So and समझ में आ गया. इक्वेटर से हम लोग किधर की ओर मूव करते जाएंगे? डेजर्ट्स की तरफ. Understood? These are the vegetational structure, and then the important vegetational structure of bushland, acacia and baobab. Can you remember? Acacia and baobab. Clear? I said that growing season is, कौन सा सीजन ग्रोइंग होगा? Summer, when high temperature and heavy rain promote a rapid luxuriant growth. Winter is dormant season where the grasses wither and die and down because of the drought, and at this time fires commonly sweep savannas. तो savanna में fire कब लगता है? Yes, when there will be fire? Winter period. When there will be what? No rainfall. Yes or not? And that time will be, and what is in a grasses will be, what is in a die out, wipe out, sweep out, and then because of the fire, because there will be a friction, and friction lead to the temperature, and these are the dry grasses. These are what? Completely it will become, and they will, when the grasses wither and die down, and when it will be die down, then when they move, they causes what? Friction, and friction lead to the what? At this time fires commonly sweep the savanna. Only the trees survive the dry winter, since they are adapted to dry condition in various ways. For the example, acacia have an umbrella shaped crowns to protect their roots from the sun rays, and others shed their leaves in the winter. Trees such as baobab store water. तो एक ट्री है आपका acacia which is famous, who is able to survive even the drought condition, because they do not allow, even the shedding their leaves, they do not allow the sun rays to fall onto the roots, so that it become more and more dry. And another is in a baobab, and that it also what is in a shed their leaves to reduce their what is in a transpiration. So which are the two trees which is in a famous of the parkland area? Savanna parkland or bushland? Acacia and baobab, and they are able to shape them. And acacia is able to shape themselves because of what? Which character? Umbrella kind, so that they are less what is an insulation is there. And I said that store water in the trunks, and most trees have roots and penetrate a great depths underground. Species like the eucalyptus of Australia produces seed and cases which resist fire. So thoda sa some what is some eucalyptus trees you can be also able to see in this region. Thoda sa eucalyptus, but eucalyptus is a major tree of Mediterranean type of climate. So what is the famous tree of yes, acacia and baobab. और अच्छे से ये सब कर जाएंगे, आपको ये पूरे मेंस में काम आ जाएगा. वो क्वेश्चन कैन बी देयर, डिस्कस द सवाना टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट, देयर वेजिटेशन स्ट्रक्चर एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, कुछ भी होगा. एंड देन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, ये सब कुछ आप लिख सकते हैं. आई सेड दैट देयर आफ्टर कल्चरल इन्वायरमेंट, आप लोग को याद हो Kikuyu, Masai, Fulani. Which one I said that? Kenya side में आप थोड़ा सा चले जाएंगे तो Kikuyu, Masai, Fulani, and then what I said that? Hausa. हंसना चाहिए, खिकी करके हंसना चाहिए, क्लियर। तो मास क्या हो जाता है, याद है आप लोगों को, फुल जाता है। किक्यू, हौसा, मसाई, फुलानी। I said that फुलानी आपको ये पता है कि it is in वेस्टर्न अफ्रीका and the rest here it is in ईस्टर्न अफ्रीका and हौसा is in the नाइजीरिया। So केनिया किधर है आपको अफ्रीका में पता होगा, अफ्रीका में किधर है केनिया? किक्यू, मसाई, लगभग हौसा एंड आई सेड दैट फुलानी। जस्ट एक आइडिया दिया मैंने, जैसे आप याद रख सको। एग्जैक्टली ऐसे ही नहीं रहेगा लेकिन लाइन ऐसा ही है। किक्यू, हौसा, सॉरी किक्यू, मसाई, हौसा, किक्यू, मसाई, हौसा एंड क्लियर। तो किक्यू एंड मसाई, किक्यू, Masai, Hausa and the rest it is I said that. So ये portion Fulani. So I said that the tropical savanna has many different people who are either cattle pastoralists like Fulani. I said that वो कैसे हैं, maximum जो है pastoral है, maybe possibility of nomads and they are rearing some animals. Some are respecting the animals, some are eating the animals, using their foods and all. So these are the tribes are there. Kikuyu, which are the I said that Kikuyu, Masai, Hausa and Fulani. किसमें है Savannah type. I said that like Fulani of the West Africa, Kikuyu, Masai of the East African Plateau or settled cultivators like the Hausa of Nigeria. जहाँ पे आपने Buchi Plateau, if you remember, the nearby that, and these groups have adapted variously to the Savannah environment. Means in a different way they have adapted themselves into the region of Savannah. Which are the tribe of Savannah? I said. कल भी हम लोगों ने कुछ tribes किया था. Perhaps you remember which are the tribes in the deserts we have seen? Yes. Bedouin. Huh? Huh? You are there in the class? Masai tribe. Very good. लगे रहो मुन्ना भाई. Bushman. And Australia में Bindibu. क्या? कुछ नहीं है, केवल जाके पेजेस पलट के नहीं आए थे. पेज पलट कर आना चाहिए ना आपको. देखो सीरियस बच्चा हमेशा चीजें हैं ना, यूपीएससी क्या पूछेगा हमें एक एंगल से कुछ नहीं पता. जब क्वेश्चन जाओगे ना सारे क्वेश्चन इजी लगेंगे. आई एम श्योर, आई एम डेड श्योर दैट ऑल क्वेश्चन यू विल फाइंड इट इज इजी क्वेश्चन. एंड दोज हु आर सीरियस इट विल फाइंड वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. पता नहीं आप लोग कौन सी साइंटिफिक स्टडी करते रहते हो. समाज को समझना है, पढ़ना है, वही उसमें भी आप लोग चोरी करते हो. इस समय थोड़ा सा चुरा लो. आई सेड दैट लेट्स सी Fulani and all. I said that the Fulani herdsmen are noted for the keeping cattle in the West Africa. Fulani herdsmen who keep cattle are called as a nomad. Fulani and are distinguished from those of Fulani who are town dwellers. एक आपको है क्या है? Fulani herdsmen who keep cattle and called nomads. One it is a nomad, one it is in a what? Town dwellers. मतलब वो अपने कैटल्स को लेके टाउन में घूमते हैं और one it is in a moving here and there in the what is in a rest of the region. जहाँ पे घास मिल जाए वहीं पे चले जाते हैं. सो फॉर कीपिंग कैटल द फुलानी हर्ड्समैन हु कीप कैटल आर सारे इसमें कहीं ना कहीं नोमैड हैं एंड लिटिल बिट व्हाट इज इन देयर. यहाँ पे जो सीखेंगे आप ओनली हाउ डू दे आर रिलेटेड विद द एनिमल्स. क्योंकि इनका मेन जो इकोनॉमी है दे आर नॉट इन अ डेवलप्ड काइंड ऑफ इट. Simple, very, what is in a tribal people are there, you can consider that what kind of development they will have. So, Fulani are distinct from those of Fulani who are town dwellers. So, एक आपको कौन रहेगा? Nomads होंगे, they are moving here then, और एक होंगे town में dwell करेंगे. किधर है? So, these people are what is in a, I said that simple, trying to what is in a, fulfill their life with the help of animals. Uplands such as those of Jos Plateau, or the Adamawa mountains. Adamawa mountain, I said that. Cameroon, I said that. Nearby this, there is a Jos Plateau. I said that in such upland area, there is. यहाँ पे कैसा होगा? रेन होगा. और प्लेट्यू रीजन ऊपर उठा हुआ रीजन में तो चांसेस ऑफ लिटिल बिट ओरोग्राफिक आल्सो. कन्वेक्शनल रेनफॉल ही होगा जहां, लेकिन प्लेट्यू होगा देयर विल बी आल्सो व्हाट. So Adamawa mountain is such upland area, they remain throughout the rains, pasturing their flocks on the rich grasses. But after the rains, they have ceased. Herdsmen animals return once more there to dry season grazing in the valley, and practice is known as transhumance. What is the transhumance? Raise your hand. What is transhumance? Transhumance are it is in a people those who shift in one part of area in region to the mountains, then shifting to the again to the plain, and then plain to the mountains. That is in a shifting for the search of water and food. Yes or not? For the cattle. So these are, I said that for the cattle they are shifting once they are in the what is in a plain area, the rest it is in a coming into the some what is in a mountainous region. तो आपने generally these cattle what is in a pastoralist kind of people are what is in a transhumance. If you go into the Mediterranean region, if you go into the Himalayan region, everywhere there is in a what shifting in the search of water and food for the cattle. Understood? और cattle से उनको food मिल ही जाएगा. यदि food उनको मिले cattle को मिलेगा तो then there will be, so they need what is in a food. क्या चाहिए उनको? grasses चाहिए. जहाँ पे water available होगा there will be grasses and all they can be able to have. So therefore there will be जितने भी nomads होंगे, if there is in a mountain, then there will be must be, or I said if there is in a two seasons are there, one dry and wet, there must be transhumance. Must be transhumance के लिए होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Two season, dry and wet. And then dry may sometimes it will move this side, and wet may sometimes come down and up and down and search of what? Water. Animals are kept for variety of reasons. Cattle, sheep and goats are reared widely for meat, and cattle are also valued for milk, hides, and sheep and goats for their meat and skins. I said that, and then variety of regions for the cattle that we have seen. Masai cattle pastoralist. Masai cattle pastoralist. अब किसके बारे में हम देख रहे हैं? फुलानी का समझ में आ गया. They are the two nomads and dwellers. Understood? फुलानी आपको नजर आ गया? And then I said that Masai are the nomadic tribe found in the what I said that Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, जहाँ पे Kikuyu eastern side. Masai are the cattle pastoralist. Their old grazing, I said that their old ground in the Kenyan highlands have been taken over the first time by immigrants, white settlers for the plantation agriculture for coffee, tea and cotton and dairy farming, and by African farmers. Simple, I said that कि उनके जो there is their habitation place has been what is taken over by what is plantation agriculture, by the what is for the tea and coffee, and especially these lands are purchased by what is or taken on lease from the government by the what is developed countries, and they are growing what? Tea and coffee. Clear है? तो चाइना में टी हो रहा है, चाहे कहीं पे भी हो रहा है, यदि वो country developing है, तो other countries have what is invested the money into the plantation agriculture in the large area. What is a tree kind of what is agriculture practice? Yes or not planted, and then that is a kind of tea, coffee, rubber. Tea, coffee, or I said that जहाँ पे रेनफॉल होगा तो they will be able to get it. यहाँ पे रेनफॉल एवरेज 75 सेंटीमीटर, लेकिन some regions which can have an what is na mountainous region, that is in केन्या के आसपास क्या दिख रहा है आपको? It is an equatorial region. तो हमने क्या बोला? Near to the equator, and then I said that तो जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रेनफॉल अच्छा खासा हो जा रहा है, थ्रू आउट द ईयर थोड़ा बहुत होते रह रहा है, तो there will be we can be able to grow tea and what is and I said that coffee. So I said that tea, coffee, cotton, and cotton कहाँ पे होगा? Yes, the region having very dry. The dairy farming and by African farmers. यहाँ पर cattle kept by Maasais are Zebu cattle with the humps and long horns. उसके humps होते हैं, okay, और उसके horn क्या होते हैं? Very high, जैसे भैंस की तरह होता है. Zebu cattle with humps and long horns, but unlike the Fulani Maasai, unlike the Fulani को छोड़कर Maasai क्या करते हैं? Cattle with the great respect and affection. और वो लोग क्या करते थे? Fulani are what is in a killing and using their what is in a meat, skin, milk and all. But Fulani are what it is? Maasai are what they are? वो मांस नहीं खाते. Maasai are not eating mass. They are respecting the animals. Yes or not? लेकिन वो खाते हैं जब वो मर जाता है. They are eating when they are what? Dying. I said that